As wireless operators attempt to densify their networks, they're faced with significant challenges. Deploying traditional small cells has always been extremely expensive, time-consuming, and obstructed with regulatory zoning restrictions. Historically, improving cell coverage and reducing churn has always been a struggle. Now, there's a better solution. Airspan's AirStrand is an LTE outdoor small cell that allows operators to scale to provide coverage and capacity in record time, at a fraction of the cost. Compact and sleek, it's able to be strand-mounted on existing infrastructure, eliminating zoning restrictions and delays. A highly efficient solution, it can improve performance by up to 1,600%, open up new business models, and generate more revenue. Plug and play, it uses a single connection that provides both DOCSIS backhaul and power.
The AirStrand product is delivering the performance expectations and in some cases exceeding in every area we've deployed, both in terms of coverage as well as in performance for our customers. Strand mount products do not have the same zoning restrictions as other outdoor products on poles and rooftops, so this allows us to move much quicker and have a much better return on investment. The plug-and-play functionality Sprint took from the indoor space and translated over to the Strand allows us to move very quickly. The AirStrand product is one of the key tools we have inside Sprint, allowing us to deploy more outdoor small cells in the last 6 months than we have in the last couple of years.
Support customer needs and reduce churn by extending capacity and coverage with Airspan's AirStrand, a simple, easy, zero-footprint solution that dramatically reduces deployment costs and time.